If you're an Outschool student and you use Google Chrome, you may have some trouble when you're viewing the recordings of your classroom meetings. If you see a blank screen like this, just go up to the three-dot menu in the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome, click on it, then go down to Settings and click on that. Then type in Cookies and click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Here you can see that Block Third-Party Cookies is turned on. To be able to watch the recording in Outschool, we need to allow all cookies. Now that I've done that, if I go back and reload the page, the Zoom recording of the meeting will appear.